Navigating tax season in a new country can bring many questions, especially about identifying numbers needed for filing. Many people wonder if they need a special number to fulfill their tax obligations here in the United States. Yes, an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, is indeed required for immigrant tax returns if you do not have a Social Security number and are obligated to file a United States tax return. This number acts as a tax processing number for individuals who are not eligible for a Social Security number but still need to report income to the Internal Revenue Service. The primary reason an ITIN is necessary stems from the fundamental requirement that all individuals earning income in the United States must comply with tax laws. Without a Social Security number, the Internal Revenue Service needs an alternative identifier to process your tax documents, track your payments, and ensure accurate record keeping. An ITIN fulfills this role, allowing both resident and non-resident aliens, as well as their dependents or spouses, to meet their tax responsibilities when they do not have a Social Security number. It is important to remember that an ITIN is exclusively for tax reporting and does not authorize work or provide any immigration benefits. To obtain an ITIN, you will need to complete Internal Revenue Service Form W-7, Application for IRS Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. Along with this form, you must submit original or certified copies of foreign status documentation, such as a passport or national identity card, which prove both your identity and foreign status. You can apply by mailing your application directly to the Internal Revenue Service, applying in person at designated Internal Revenue Service taxpayer assistance centers, or using the services of an Internal Revenue Service authorized certifying acceptance agent, who can help verify your documents without you having to mail original identification. A valuable insider tip is to consider using a certifying acceptance agent for your ITIN application. These agents are authorized by the Internal Revenue Service to verify your original documents, which means you do not have to part with your precious passport or other important documents by mailing them to the Internal Revenue Service. They will review your application and documentation and then forward it to the Internal Revenue Service for processing, often streamlining the experience. Ensuring you have the correct identification number, like an ITIN when applicable, is a crucial step towards seamless tax compliance in the United States. It helps you accurately report your earnings, build a solid tax history, and avoid potential penalties or delays, ultimately providing peace of mind and financial security for you and your family.